Hey y'all, my name is Brielle. Welcome to my channel. And I was born on Thanksgiving. Okay, the year I was born, 1999, that Thursday of November, I was born. Let my dad tell you the story. I ruined his Thanksgiving, okay? Every year, he never fails. He reminds me, he tells me on my birthday. But I like to cook. I swear, it gave me a relationship with food, okay? Being born on Thanksgiving definitely gave me some type of, oh my god, I'm a fat ass. Oh, you saw how I picked that shit with my foot? That was fun. I went grocery shopping super late. I was in the mood for something. I kind of just walked in the store and was like, all right. And I ended up picking up this stuff. And then I'm really just gonna freestyle, like cook something I've been craving. I'm not a chef, okay? Don't watch this video if you're like trying to get inspiration, because this is just me playing around in the kitchen. Cooking is therapeutic, it's relaxing. If you're doing it in just like a chill environment, just trying to create something. I'm in the process of getting my cat a sister. Okay, I have a boy cat. His name is Garfield, and I'm ready to get another cat. I'm gonna get a kitten soon. It's in the works. It's in the works. Recording this voiceover, watching Garfield, who is clearly too bored, mess with my jewelry. All of it. I swear I put on blue not realizing or not remembering that my kitchen is blue too. So now that I was like going back and rewatching the video, I was like, oh, that's low-key a vibe. I'm gonna try and wear blue when I record the videos in the kitchen because I like the whole aesthetic of the blueness. Blue gives The color blue represents both the sky and the sea and is associated with open spaces, freedom, intuition, imagination, inspiration, and sensitivity. So the kitchen being blue is like it gives peace and calm, but like also at the same time you are just letting yourself feel free. It's your home, so yeah, we did not think of all this when we were making the kitchen blue. I don't know where the color blue came from when me and my sister were like putting the color scheme together, but the whole downstairs itself is gonna tie in together and be blue. We have a navy blue couch. Peace, calm, and trust. Harmony. This corn was so sweet, so the fact that I seasoned it and gave it that sweet and spicy, I was so proud of myself. Oh my god, that corn was so good. At this point in the video, I was tired. I remember this as I'm watching it back. Like, I put the corn on and the potatoes on at the same time. And if you cook here or whatever, that take a little minute. Potatoes take a little minute. And I had to cut them for real. They were cut into like large, maybe potato wedge slices. Like take one potato, I probably cut it 4 times, so they was finna boil for a minute and that corn was finna boil. So yeah, I ended up going upstairs. Well, I seasoned the meat. Yeah, that's what I'm finna do. I seasoned the meat and then I went upstairs, laid down for a smooth 40 minutes. Yeah, for sure. I had seen a recipe somewhere, either Pinterest, TikTok, about a this type of curry, this type of marinade that I tried to create. It had orange, but it was curry at the same time. So trying to be fast, I was just like, let me buy a marinade in a bottle. Obviously they didn't have that specific blend, so I just tried to create something. This was a fun moment for me. I feel like I edited down how long actually I sat here and did this. I'm showing a good I'm showing a good portion, but I had to like, all right now. Am I the only person that will just walk into the grocery store and like, I'm not sure what I want to cook, but I know I want to cook something, so let me just pick things up. Like, yeah, I had inspiration from things that I had seen in my head, but still, it's like sometimes I've been craving mashed potatoes for a minute. I've been craving corn. I was gonna stop at KFC, but I can't eat out, so it's just now all the ingredients that I didn't use, like, yeah, I might not have planned to eat veal this week, but I had shrimp already in my freezer, and let me see, what else I already had the potatoes. I knew I was going to make mashed potatoes. I just had to get other things to add to it and make it a meal. Every now and then you kind of just want to cook a little bougie for yourself. My cat has me. Garfield, get your butt down. Hey, get down. So in a coming video on my channel, you will see this. You're gonna see. I'm gonna have to get up. You're gonna see this corner in my room that I decorated, like my entryway. And my cats in general, okay, they want to climb. I said this already. And it's clear that I'm about to have to cover my furniture in cat tape. But it's okay. It's okay. Because I feel like 1 or 2 scares and he's not going to do it anymore. He's not. And then he's just down. I really enjoyed watching this meat cook. I watched the video over and over, like, while I was editing it and just making sure I liked, how it looked and stuff. Like, I'm a foodie, okay? So the food needs to look good on camera. Yeah. I don't know. It was like veal, like, yeah, it's a baby cow. Like, let's not say baby. Let's say young. It's a younger cow, but it wasn't giving beef for me like I thought it was going to give beef for real. So I was not happy with the color. That's why I freaking added all that paprika to try and, like, can I see some type of char? Where is the char? So yeah, that's what's happening here. But I also have a lot of oil in the pan. So, like, how much char am I trying to see? I didn't really sear it for real. So then it didn't sear until the end. You're going to see that. Before I sat down to record this voiceover, I prepared myself, okay, y'all? I went and brewed me some tea because I knew my voice was going to get tired. I'm drinking a nice chai tea. I went to Kroger. Yeah, that was Kroger I picked this up from. And whew, a good chai. It's extra spice. I have a video on my TikTok probably soon of my current tea collection, but I have at least 6 or 7. No, I'll give it a good 7 different teas that I'm drinking right now. I try to pull myself away from caffeine. I don't know about y'all. I mean, yeah, tea has caffeine, but not as much as coffee. Sometimes coffee, like, my hands are shaking. I'm running to the bathroom every 5 minutes. And I've also just noticed doing a lot more talking, not just with, like, YouTube and TikTok, because I'm honestly not talking a lot, but with my day job, I talk a lot too, kinda. So yeah, my voice has just been kinda, you're using me a lot. Honestly, with my other job too, I talk a lot. Okay, so look, I just talk a lot. And yeah, my throat be on that. So a nice good moisture, a nice good warm moisture. People be saying how much they hate the word, like, moisture or moist. Don't say moist. I hate that word. That's so weird. I don't have any words that I don't like hearing, but tell me the ones that y'all have in the comments, because I need to know some more. I've only ever heard moist. Let's take a brief moment to watch me struggle with chopping these potatoes. This is when I realized that I needed to buy a potato masher. I just moved, so the kitchen is a little bit, in a, oh, get this, oh, grab this. A few things that we forgot. Luckily, I have my handy dandy hand mixer by Drew Barrymore, the, like, beautiful collection that she did, having the name B. having kitchen appliances with the letter B, it just made sense. So that's pretty much all you have to say there. I definitely want, like, if you're watching this, okay, because I'm gonna get views, but it's who's gonna view and are you gonna comment? Y'all can put stuff in the comments that y'all want me to try and cook and like talk about me cooking because I would definitely do that. I'm a foodie. Introduce me to something. This is my first time trying veal. You know what I mean? But I'm all for kitchen experiments, okay? So for real, comment something you want me to try. I'm just watching this disaster. I'm just trying to figure out if it was just the buttermilk or did I mix it too much. I don't know. Basically, the potatoes don't give super chunky. They gave kind of watery. Once I let them sit for a little bit longer, it wasn't that bad, but mixing it up and the next day they were good. I guess that was one thing. Those mashed potatoes would be good for Thanksgiving because that's the side that you can make the day before and then heat up the day after and it's still gonna taste good. So the leftovers of this, but look how like it was just like runny to me. I don't know. If I ever ate those potatoes in a box, it's because I went to a restaurant and they sold them. In my family, we eat real potatoes. We probably gonna leave the skin on it, so you know that you're eating a potato. So don't come for my potatoes. Once I saw this meat looking like this, I was very happy. Okay, but first time cooking veal, was cooking it like steak. It was overcooked at this point. So I realized that when I go to cut it off the bone. I still ate it, but I am a medium rare girly. And this was for veal, my first time trying it, I was definitely gonna go medium rare. This was medium well done. Yeah, I was disappointed. But the inside of veal, it's like, even though you can cook it to steak like temperatures with the medium rare being okay, the inside gives pork chop. So that was like, yeah, a brain twist for me. Obviously, the pieces closer to the bone were the ones that I ended up putting on my plate and enjoying the most of. But the ends were just, here's plating. Yes, the corn was cooked on the cob, but I'm not doing that while eating my food. I just like to just cut it off. And yeah, but I love corn on the cob. I love corn on the cob. Love it. Okay, my top 5 vegetables would be corn, carrots, green beans, arugula, and cabbage. I should have took a glimpse or a like capture of what the kitchen looked like after this. It honestly wasn't that bad. 1 out of 10, I'd give it a 5. I give it a 5, but I didn't really make much. So for it to look like that, the cleanup this night was intense. Oh, it's the end of the video. If y'all like this, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.